What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lexus remote key fob. This key fob is going to take a replacement battery CR1632. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the bottom, and then the key will slide out like that. Now, if we take our fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and we take a look in the bottom here where that key just came out of, and we see this little slot right here, what we're going to do is push the key in that slot, and then we're going to twist it like this. And as we do that, it's going to pop this back cover off. So push it in that slot, make sure it's all the way in, and then twist it, and it'll pop the case apart. And then we can go ahead and pull the back off. And now we see our battery right here. And you can use the edge of this key just to get under the edge of it, edge of the battery to get it out like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. After you get that battery snapped into place, you can go ahead and snap the two halves of the case back together. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.